So over here, you can see that I have these graphics right here. And let's say, for example, I have this image. And if I were to go ahead and bring this over here on the top, then you can see that this image is roughly 300 something pixels wide, so which is what I see from the ruler right here. But if you want to go ahead and know exactly, then you can actually go ahead and use something called the measure tool. So to do that, over here on the left hand side, you can click on the measure tool. And then if I were to go ahead and click on the point right here, just like this, and click and drag it out, you can see that I now exactly know that it is 368.3 pixels. I can simply go ahead and click and drag from this point to this point as well, and you can see that it is 260 pixels right here. So let's say, for example, I got this graphics right here, just like this, and I can go around over here onto let's say measure tool. I can go ahead and click and drag it from, let's say, this point to this point right here. You can go ahead and then click and drag in a certain section, and you know exactly how much pixel that is. So this is what you have, as you can see. So that is simply how you can go ahead and use the measure tool to know exactly how much a length is right here, just like this. In any graphics, in any direction as you want, as you can see right here. So you want to know the diagonal direction, that is the length right here. You can simply go ahead and click and drag it, and then you get the diagonal pixel as well as needed. So that is how you can go ahead and utilize the measure tool inside of Affinity. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe